Welcome back to FullSpec Motors. Koenigsegg Jesko. Front view. Standing like a beast, the Koenigsegg Jesko shows off its aggressive front, sharp angles, wide air intakes and signature LED headlights made for both beauty and extreme performance. Side profile. From the side, the aerodynamic body is sculpted to cut through the air. Lightweight carbon fiber construction, massive rear wing and bold lines give it an unforgettable silhouette. Rear view. At the back you get a futuristic design with dynamic tail lights, a giant diffuser and the active rear wing, every inch built for speed and downforce. It looks like it's moving even when standing still. Interior dashboard. Inside it's a mix of luxury and race engineering, a clean digital display, race-style steering wheel and premium materials designed for comfort and control at 300 miles per hour. Seats close up. The carbon fiber bucket seats are made for support during high-speed runs. Wrapped in soft leather with detailed stitching, they keep you locked in with style and comfort. Roof and doors. The signature dihedral synchro helix doors swing out and up like art in motion, and the removable roof turns the Jesko into an open-top hypercar under the sun. Engine and performance. Under the hood, a 5-liter twin-turbo V8 engine roars with up to 1,600 horsepower, built in-house by Koenigsegg. This engine is one of the most powerful ever made. Wheels and brakes. Lightweight carbon fiber wheels and massive ceramic brakes provide control at insane speeds. Every detail built for racing performance with safety and grip. Infotainment and tech. A floating screen gives access to driving data, navigation and controls, while the smart cluster stays upright even during high-speed cornering. Special features. The triplex suspension, advanced aerodynamics and unique light-speed transmission make the Jesko one of the most technically advanced hypercars in the world. Sound and exhaust. The exhaust note is pure power, deep growls turning into high-pitched screams. At full throttle it sounds like a jet and feels like one too. Price and final look. Starting around $3 million, the Koenigsegg Jesko is not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, speed and design. With only a few built, it's one of the rarest hypercars on the planet. Please dear subscribe to FullSpec Motors, my YouTube channel.